Hi, I'm Sherry Breslin with the UF Pasco County Extension Office, and joining me is Kyle Christmas with our Community Gardens program. Thanks for joining us on our fall edition of Pasco's Plant to Plate. Today, we're going to feature 3 different recipes using ingredients that easily grow in gardens around Pasco. Kyle, what ingredients are we using today?
So today, Sherry, we're going to be using 3 different types of peppers. We're going to be using bell peppers, habanero peppers, and jalapeno peppers, along with some basil from the garden. Remember guys, if you want to grow any of this stuff, you can do it at home in a home garden, or you can grow it at one of our community gardens located throughout Pasco County.
And also, everything you see here, you can easily make at home, or feel free to stop by our incubator kitchen here at the One Stop Shop in Dade City. Let's get cooking.
So we hope you guys have enjoyed these recipes as much as we have.
These recipes, as well as information on our incubator kitchen and community gardens, can be found at mypasco.net. See you next time.